अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल सना इन्फो हब। आज की वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं ह्यूमन बिहेवियर के बारे में। यस, यू हेयर राइट, 30 साइकोलॉजिकल फैक्ट्स अबाउट ह्यूमन बिहेवियर। सो विदाउट वेट, लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। Number 1. People are most likely to lie when they feel they are being threatened or when they stand to gain something from it. Number 2. People tend to be more honest when they are tired or sleepy. Yes, it's human nature that uniquely apply on men or women. Number 4. The average person tells about 4 lies a day. Yes, it's uniquely apply on all persons on every age. Number 6. Men tend to lie more about themselves while women tend to lie more to protect others. Next, the vast majority of people, about 98%, admit to have lied at least once in their lives. Number 9. People tend to lie more when they are under stress. It may be they want to handle situation. Number 10. The most common lies are white lies or lies that are told to avoid hurting someone's feelings. That is common in relations. Number 11. People with psychopathic tendencies are more likely to successful liars. So it may be that your friend have psychopathic tendencies. Number 12. People are more likely to lie when they are being watched by others. Now the next number 13 is people are more likely to lie if they think they can get away with it, like in a travel. Number 14. People tend to believe lies that confirm their own beliefs or biases. Number 15. The human brain is hardwired to automatically detect lies, but it's not always accurate. Number 16. People are more likely to lie when they are using social media because it's easier to be anonymous. Number 17 is people tend to lie less when they are face to face with someone because it's harder to hide the truth. Number 18. The best way to catch a liar is to pay attention to their body language and to look for incongruities in their story. Number 19. People who are good liars often make up stories that are detailed and plausible because they have had practice. Number 21. Most people can only sustain a lie for about 10 seconds before they start to feel anxious and stressed out. Number 23. Liars often touch or cover their mouth when they lie because they know it's the wrong thing to do. So they try to hide. Number 24. People who are lying often make more eye contact because they are trying to appear honest and sincere. That is artificial. Number 25. Liars often change their story or details when they confronted with the truth because they cannot keep their story straight. Number 26. People who are lying often avoid using first-person pronouns because they don't want to take responsibility for their actions. Number 27. Liars often use qualifiers and hudge when they speak because they are trying to make their lies sound more believable. Number 28. The best way to get someone to tell the truth is to create a situation where it's in their best interest to do so. The second last 29 is people are more likely to confess to a crime if they are given false evidence that makes them look guilty. Number 13, last but not the least, people are more likely to confess to a crime if they are interrogated for a long period of time. So like video, press bell icon and subscribe my YouTube channel Sana Info Hub. Thanks for watching.